Hey everyone, this is Joe at Behind the Signs. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me. I'm super excited to talk to you about an opportunity that is available to the Behind the Signs community. We are working with the U.S. Chamber of Commerce to bring to you the C100 program. And what that is the U.S. Chamber of Commerce every year selects the top 100 small businesses. And, before I even tell you about what's included in it, I know you might be thinking to yourself, man, I'm just way too busy. I have all I can do just to run my business now. But I would say, one thing that comes up in the Behind the Signs community all the time is like the question, how do I expand my business? And I know for me, I've been in small business my whole life. I've had a janitorial contracting business, I had 2 sign shops, a small software company, and now Behind the Signs. And, every time I got myself involved in a program like this, whether it was just meeting that right person or taking that right training, it led to growth. It led to personal growth, and it always led to really strong growth in the business. So why apply to a program that you could possibly get selected as the top 100 small business in America? Well, first of all, it gives you access to incredible networking opportunities. You also get 1 full year membership of the U.S. Chamber of Commerce, free weekly newsletters, and exclusive offers for your small business with relationships that they have with their partners. You get brand visibility, not only with the other people that are applying for the program, but just the judges themselves. You also get early access to digital membership products like basic business training and AI training. Now, what happens if you get selected as one of the top 100 companies? Because those first things that I mentioned are just for signing up. Well, you could possibly win $25,000, which in my opinion is great, but it's actually not the most important benefit. You'll get exclusive access to the their LinkedIn networking community. So that's massive. So it's a big national networking community. You'll get national media exposure. So they're going to put a list out of all the winners of the top 100 companies. So all of a sudden your name is just everywhere. You're going to get a dedicated business profile on the C100 website. You're going to get exclusive perks to the C100 winners, and you'll get a nice little statue. More important, you'll get nice little digital badges that you can put on your website and all your social media. And it's something to be able to say like, hey, I own one of the top 100 small businesses in the US. Now, you might be saying, Joe, okay, let's get to the bottom line here. What is this going to cost to apply? Well, it's $300, but because you're in the Behind the Signs community, we have a special promo code, SIGNS, SIGNS 50, and that gives you 50% off. So it's really for $150 just to even be a member of the U.S. Chamber and to get access to the newsletters and the educational opportunities and all that is well worth it. And look, they're working with organizations like us, the International Sign Association, because they really, really want to reach the sign industry. They haven't had a big footprint in the sign industry in the past. So this is super exciting for you and for them. So check the comments below. You'll have the link to apply and a reminder of what the promo code is. And I just want to say good luck. I hope I see you. I applied myself, so we'll see. But my fingers are crossed for you. Go ahead and apply.